Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function index. Index is very famous question, and it's one of the questions which definitely will be asked by the interviewer if you are attending any Excel-based interviews. Okay, and this is look into the video carefully, and if possible, you can pause and rewind and look again to understand it better. Okay, let's. So, what does this function do? This function picks a value from a range of data by looking down a specified number of rows and then across a specified number of columns. It can be used with a single block of data or non-continuous block. Let's understand with an example. Okay. So here we have a rate card of a resort for the uh, uh, people who want to book their resort. So here we have number of days, and here we have number of people. So let's see here. If you one person is going for one day, the per rate person per day would be 3,000, and if six people are coming for 7 days, the rate is 1,250 per person per day. That means the more number of people and the longer the duration is, the rate per person per day will be reduced, obviously, and less number of people and less number of days will be higher. So this is the rate card which they have given. Now we need to find what would be the rate if uh, we are staying for n number of days for n number of people. Let's say there are four people coming for 4 days for five people. So what would be the rate per person per day? So let's see how the function works. So we'll see this in index. Type index, open bracket, and the array. Array is the data where we have. So we'll select from C4 to H10 is where our data lies. Now comma, and the second argument is row number. Row number is, this is from data where we are selected. So this will be first row, second row, third row, fourth row. Horizontal lines are rows and vertical are columns. So this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. Now a row. So here we have 4 days. So I say 4, okay, and comma. So which is in K2, and the column index 5 people. So this is the fifth column. I put fifth. I close the bracket. So what it will do, it will look, it will go to fourth row, then come across fifth column. It will move here, okay, and it picks up the value. So fourth row it will come and move fifth row. Okay. Now let's see six five people are staying for six. So it will come to sixth row, then it will move to five, it picks up this value. Now say let's example three people for 2 days. Three. Okay, here I have not changed. I have put five. Sorry, I did not give the reference. Here I say, okay. So 3 day, 3 days for two people is 2,650. Okay, and instead of referencing to a number directly, we can type here. Here we're given K2, K3. So I'll just put the number 3. So row 3 and column works. So this is how the index function works, and usually index and match, they go hand in hand. We can club with VLOOKUP and everything. That we can make a video in an advanced Excel tutorial. For since this is for basic, I given a very basic overview of this function. Yeah. So I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.